Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and welcome dear students. I hope you are all doing well. So dear students, today we will start lesson number 4 from unit 2, which is sentences. So exercise 1 is listen to the dialogues and number the subjects 1 to 6. Here are some words or subjects: cinema, holiday, telephoning, food, shopping and sports. So dear students, we have exercise 2. Complete these sentences with words from the dialogue. So the dialogue for these subjects is on page number 110. So dear students, what you have to do is read the dialogues on page 110 and I will explain it to you here in this lecture. So exercise 2 is listen again and complete these sentences with verbs from the dialogue. Emma says she will have a slice of pizza. So here Emma says she will have a slice of pizza. So she is talking about food. So subject food is number 1. 2 is Tahir says he will ask Kamal if he is free. So here Tahir is talking about sports, which you will find in the dialogue. So sports is number 2. The subject sport is number 2. Number 3 is Max is going to learn to ride a horse. So when he is going to learn to ride a horse? Max is going to learn to ride a horse on holiday. So number 3 is holiday. Number 4, Parveen says she will try to phone Mariam later in the evening. So here you will find in the dialogue that Parveen got a message from Mariam and now she decided to phone Mariam later in the evening. So here they are talking about telephoning. So the subject telephoning is number 4. Saira says she is going to buy a CD with her birthday money. So here Saira is going for shopping and she decided to buy a CD with her birthday money. So the subject shopping is number 5th. Alice is going to watch the Sunken City. So where she is going to watch the Sunken City? Alice is going to watch the Sunken City in cinema. So the subject cinema is number 6. So dear students, here we have exercise 3. Read the dialogues and correct one mistake in each of them. Number 1, this is an example. Why have you bought that book and DVD? B. I will learn Italian next term. I'm going to. 2 is A. There are no more eggs in the house. B. Oh, in that case, I am going to get some tomorrow. So the correct dialogue will be, oh, in that case, I will get some tomorrow. Oh, in that case, I will get some tomorrow. Number 3 is, have you got a video to watch this evening? B. Yes, mom, we will watch the Sunken City. So the correct dialogue will be, yes, mom, we are going to watch the Sunken City. Yes, mom, we are going to watch the Sunken City. Number 4 is, I can't close this window. I can't close this window, Grandpa. B. Don't worry, I am going to do it for you. B. Don't worry, the correct dialogue will be, don't worry, I will do it for you. Don't worry, I will do it for you. Fifth is A. What are you planning to do on Saturday? B. On Saturday morning, I will do some shopping. So, the correct answer or dialogue will be on Saturday morning, I am going to do some shopping. Sixth is A. Somebody is knocking at the door. B. Oh, I am going to go and open it. So, the correct dialogue will be or the answer will be Oh, I will go and open it. Oh, I will go and open it. So dear students, here we have exercise 4. Practice the dialogues with your friend and make up some more using your own ideas. Now here, dear students, you have some dialogues, and because currently the schools are off, so you can practice it at home with your siblings or with your cousins or friends. So I will read the dialogues for you. Why have you bought that book and DVD? I am going to learn Italian next term. Are you going to buy the cheap trainers or the expensive ones? I will get the cheap ones. They will soon be too small for me. Which game are you going to play? We are going to play chess. Okay, dear students, so this is your lecture for today, and you have to practice exercise 4 at your home, and you have to write the correct dialogues of exercise 3 in your notebooks. Okay, dear students, take care. Allah Hafiz.